Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking garlic and mustard hot wings. These wings mix 3 of my favourite flavours. The best part, this sauce takes no time to make. To start, we need to make a simple chicken rub. You will need equal parts salt and pepper. Next, 1 tablespoon of paprika, then half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and half a tablespoon of onion powder. Mix the rub together until it's all fully combined. This simple rub is perfect for any chicken recipe. In a bowl, add your chicken wings that have been cut into thirds. Pour over the rub and mix the wings through to make sure they're fully coated. These wings are ready to go on the barbecue. Next, light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using Clean Heat charcoal. Lay it out for indirect cooking. Evenly lay out the chicken wings. You want to leave enough of a gap between each wing so the air can circulate around them. This will help them evenly cook. Cook for a total of 40 minutes. Now it's time to make the sauce. In a bowl, add 1 cup of hot sauce. For this recipe, I used a thicker brand of hot sauce, followed by 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Next, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Finally, 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard. Mix it all together. If you find the sauce is a little bit thick, don't hesitate to add a little bit of water. Now the wings are cooked, add them to the sauce. Mix the wings through the sauce. I find covering a bowl with a plate and shaking it works best. There you have it, garlic and mustard chicken wings. These are really simple to make and are super tasty. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.